Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about another new scheme known as Pilot Project on Beekeeping Activity under Gramodyog Vikas Yojana. Before we actually discuss details of the scheme, let me share a little bit about beekeeping in brief. Beekeeping or apiculture is the practice of managing honeybee colonies. There are several reasons for managing honeybee colonies. 5 of these reasons are: number 1, honey is consumed as a food item. Number 2, honey and other hive products have immense medicinal value. Number 3, beekeeping supports agricultural activities through cross-pollination. Bees carry pollens from one flower plant to another and facilitate pollination. This eventually results in increased yield of crops. Number 4, beekeeping is also known to contribute immensely towards forest conservation. And finally, number 5, beekeeping provides a supplementary source of income to the farmers. India is among the major honey exporting countries in the world, with exports being shipped to countries such as Germany, USA, UK, Japan, France, Italy, Spain, etc. India presently stands at 8th position in terms of honey production. According to the National Bee Board, India's honey production in 2017-18 was 1.05 lakh metric tons. Currently, India has about 35 lakh bee colonies. The number of beekeeping companies and societies have also increased, and as of 2019, there were 9,091 registered people in the apiary business. Now, let us discuss about the scheme. What is this KVIC Beekeeping Activity Scheme all about? The Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises has recently come out with new guidelines to support pilot projects of beekeeping activity under Agro-Based and food processing industries vertical of Gramodyog Vikas Yojana. This new initiatives of the ministry is a beneficiary-oriented self-employment scheme aimed at rejuvenating the grassroots economy, thereby contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. This scheme was introduced with several objectives in mind. The first one is to adopt scientific bee management practices. Second, to utilize available natural resources in beekeeping. Third, to create sustainable employments for the beekeepers or farmers. Number 4, to provide supplementary income for beekeepers and farmers. Number 5, to create awareness about honey and other hive products. And number 6, to create awareness about the benefits of beekeeping in cross-pollination. Next, what are the assistance that will be provided under this scheme? To begin with, the scheme proposes to cover during 2020-21 a total of 2,050 beneficiaries, which includes beekeepers, entrepreneurs, farmers, unemployed youth, Adivasis, etc. For this purpose, a financial support of Rs 13 crore has been provisioned for 2020-21. Additional amount of Rs 50 crore has also been kept for developing beekeeping honey clusters under the Shruti scheme of the ministry. SFURTI stands for Scheme of Fund for Regeneration of Traditional Industries. We will try to make a separate video later in order to explain the details of this scheme. Coming back to our KVIC Beekeeping Activity Program, the beneficiaries will be provided skill training, necessary tools, and technical hand-holding support. 5 days beekeeping training will be provided to the beneficiaries through various training centers, state beekeeping extension centers, master trainers, etc. Normally, the skill development training program in beekeeping is conducted with 25 candidates per batch. After completion of the training, Beneficiaries will be supported with necessary technical handholding for the maintenance of bee colonies. The following items will be provided to the beneficiaries. First, 10 bee boxes with live bee colonies, a tool kit which will contain a smoker, bee veil, knife and hive tools, carbon fiber sheets 1 kilogram for each bee colony, and stainless steel honey extractor. One extractor will be given to 5 beneficiaries having 50 bee colonies. Next, what are the eligible criteria for availing the benefits of this scheme? 1. The age limit of the entrepreneur should be between 18 to 55 years. Second, the applicant should have Aadhaar card. In case of non-availability of Aadhaar card, voter's ID with photographs and ration card can also be submitted. Third, only one person from one family will be eligible for getting 10 boxes with bee colonies and tools kit. Number 4, persons already trained in beekeeping activity by KVIC, KVIB, NABARD, KVKs, training centers recognized by the state or central government, bank, NGOs, etc. are eligible to get the support boxes. It is also to be noted that persons who have already availed benefits from any other government schemes for similar purpose will not be eligible, and the beneficiary shall give a written declaration to this effect. Finally, what is the procedure to apply for this scheme? By responding to the advertisement, which is to be given by the state or divisional directors of KVIC locally through print and electronic media. These advertisements will invite applications along with project proposals from prospective beneficiaries, SHGs, etc. After the advertisement, the applicant desirous of establishing the pilot projects, getting training or technical support need to apply to the state or divisional directors of KVIC along with the project proposals. For preparation of project proposals, you can get in touch with us through our website www.ecoridgeconsulting.in. You can also approach the concerned state office of KVIC to know about further processing of the application. Addresses of state directors KVIC is available at kviconline.gov.in. So that's it for today. Hope you found this video useful. If you want to read more about this scheme, you can visit our website. I will also provide a link in the description. You can also visit www.champions.gov.in for more information on this scheme. Thank you. Have a nice day.